Pune. Tomorrow is the meetup of Augie, and I'm going today to Pune because I have some work there. So I'll be staying in Pune at my friend's place, and then directly I'll be coming to Augie meetup. That was the time lapse that you saw. And this guy is afraid of GoPro. I don't know why. Afraid, maybe because of this gorilla pod. Alright, so now let's test the dog again. This time I'm on my helmet, the camera is on the helmet, so let's see. Yeah, confirmed he is afraid of the tripod. So a tripod afraid dog. He's cute. You know, I just love dogs. They are like the greatest animal that humanity can have. Oh, it is damn hot. Oh, फिरंगी की टोली आई है. No matter when I come to Lonavala, it is always crowded. हमेशा यहाँ पे भीड़ होती ही है. Whoa! Guys, you see those tires? Those big tires? There are super bikes inside this. Damn, man. I'm not really sure which one they are. Surely the, big Brembo brakes and everything. Maybe the Kawasaki's. Wow! Okay, so good morning Pune. A beautiful morning out here in Pune. The weather in Pune, I've been always a fan of this kind of weather here. So right now it is around 7 in the morning, and I've left for Augie meetup in Lonavala. So it will take around 1 hour for me to reach to Lonavala from Pune. So I'm in Baner right now, and I'll be taking up this our highway, Pune Bangalore highway, or Mumbai Bangalore highway, whatever you wanna call it. All right, baby, let the music begin. So guys, we have reached Lonavala now. I reached Lonavala in 44 minutes from Pune, and I guess I'm quite early. It is just 7:35. Wow. Okay, people have come. And don't tell me I'm at the perfect time, man. Are you kidding me? Okay. Alright, parking seems to be sorted. Hopefully. Okay, this is the group of Augie. They have came from Mumbai. So I'm lucky to come at the exact same time. Perfect. There are a lot of bikes out here. I didn't expect it so much crowd at 8 in the morning. A lot of motovloggers out here.
The parking lot. There's a second channel called Motovlog for a cause, which Ralph and I are part of that. Just stand do some yeah, so the second channel we started only for to raise funds for the Cancer Foundation. And to give you a little background, me giving you a background. Should I let Ralph give us background? Yes. So, I mean, most of you all know what the second channel is about. We had a subscriber, Augie's subscriber, just messaged him basically that he has a very few days left, to be honest, brutally honest, and he wanted more videos out. And I mean, he told all of us about it, and we decided that this was the best opportunity to go and surprise him, meet him over there, and surprise him. So we went on this journey, this 900-kilometer journey, along with our bikes, and we probably gave him one of the surprises he wasn't expecting. And on the channel is all about giving back to the community. I mean, Biking Brotherhood, as you know, is like a brotherhood to all of us. And giving back is one of the aims that we have now, and that's the whole point of this second channel. So if you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Tell your friends about it, because it's for a good cause, obviously, and it's not going to stop. We have this one cause for the Cancer Foundation. Going ahead, we might move on and branch out to certain other things, but it is going to be for good causes in the end. And we want people like you guys as well to contribute to it. And hopefully in the future we might collaborate with a lot of other motovloggers and a lot of good people who are doing other good stuff out there. Yeah, so I think it's important that we promote safety in whatever area we can. I had these kids come up to me yesterday on their cycles, and they were saying they watched my channel as well. And that's when I really started to realize how much of an influence we as a motovlogging community and we as a biking community can have on future generations of bikers or people who actually use the road in some way or form. Arid. Okay, there's Lifestealer as well. Where's Akash? He's hiding somewhere in the back. Akash, come here. Akash? Scooter Life, yes. He's somewhere in the back, I saw him there. Right. Scooter Life. Okay. And yeah, so these distinguished gentlemen are people who I get to interact with on a daily basis. People who I probably would get advice from if it's something as simple as a mic setup, something as simple as editing effects or whatever. These guys are my go-to people. And apart from that, they leave you 400 messages on a WhatsApp group if you both. You get their content as well. Yeah, so if you haven't already subscribed to these guys, please make sure that you at least check out their content. If you like what they do, subscribe. If you don't, leave them in the comment section. and yeah, so this is my team as such. Yeah, so these are the guys who make me who I am. So give them a round.
Thank you so much. I can edit a video 10 minutes long in 1 hour. Or the video which you have seen in 1 hour, but then it takes 3 hours to render because the laptop was slow.
Osmo for the win.
MSK.
Want to say they are rich bastards. Osmo. This is like Osmo. Sony S7.
People, we have Vandersane here.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
So he's the person who I.
These are my subscribers and his channel name is AS02. Please do check out. I'll also check out. And thanks a lot guys for coming. I'll see you around. And he is Wilson. They are my subscribers, lovely people. So
Hi.
Hello. Please subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Share it.
Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love.
Yeah.
There's new motor vlog out here, The Roadrunners, without any space. Okay, and yes, do check out his channel. I'm sure he must have got some great content for you. So do check out and do subscribe and stay tuned, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, so the meetup is over now. We are leaving. हवा कर रहा है भाई आज. So I'm going to Pune. I have some work in Pune. So I'll come back to Mumbai tomorrow. So I'll see these guys off now from this signal, and then I'll take the right turn. So guys, okay. अब मुझे बात करने देंगे ही नहीं है ना. ये देख. Augie's meetup, it was phenomenal. It was just amazing. I enjoyed it a lot. Got to meet a lot of people, lot of my subscribers, lot of motovloggers. It was like a motovloggers meetup, not just Augie's meetup as Augie intended it to be. It was a general motovloggers meetup. Everybody in our community, you know, getting around, hanging out along with some fellow riders and subscribers. So it was really fun. And yes, again I would say gem of a person, Augie. Thanks to you for calling us and you know, making our day so special. I hope you like this video. Alright guys, so I have reached Pune, and yes, I'm in Baner right now. So I think I should end this Augie meetup video right here, because I'll be staying in Pune today, and you know, I'll complete my work, and then if time allots, I'll hang out with my, you know, friends, and I also have a brother and sister here. So yes, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and yes, if you are not subscribed my channel yet and still watching my videos, please do subscribe. क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार. So that's it. Here Vandersen signing off from Pune. I'll see you in some other place. Till then, peace out.
I am here with Wonder Sane, just like insane Wonder Sane. Do remember to check out his channel and subscribe to it if you want some interesting content coming up. Vloggers are the future of our motoring fraternity. Thank you, Wonder Sane, for being there.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys. Ciao.
Thank you.